Back to another video, and this is will be an interesting video because as you can see, this is a fan, and this is the tiniest fan, and because there is a motor here, and also this is called the OTG, and as you can see, this is the C-type OTG, and interestingly they give the USB 3.0, so this is kind of powerful, and look at the build quality, it looks kind of solid. So interestingly, we will try this out. So you have to just plug in with the OTG with the USB, and as you can see, this is the device. This is the cell phone we are using. So while you just plug in, and as you can see, the charge is not that heavy, but it gives decent air. So you can't feel, you can't be able to feel the air right now, but it is quite good for small task, like if there is no current, and you can use this easily. And yeah, this is pretty much handy because this is small, and you can easily carry it out if you are traveling or if you are on a journey. It will help you to just make you cooler. And yeah, that's all from today, guys. And if you wanna know the price, this is not that much expensive, like it is around 10 cents, or well, it is around not 10 cents, it is around $1 or $1.50. so this is pretty much cheap. And yeah, that's all from today, guys. Hope you will enjoy the video, and if you're new, make sure you stay with the channel. See you all soon. Till then, just feel the air, have fun, good luck, and peace.